Shooting. Image quality
A man
recording.
operates a camera using a
Movie
screen
file
reader.
format. XAVC S4K.
My name is Sam Seavey. I'm an assistive technology specialist, and I run a YouTube channel called The Blind Life, where I create educational content for the blind and visually impaired.
The center of the image is obscured.
I was diagnosed at age 11 with Stargardt's disease, which is progressive central vision loss.
Sam walking with a white cane.
Around 2013, I started my YouTube channel. At the time, there really wasn't that much information on YouTube about people living with vision loss. So I wanted to share my life and the tips and tricks that I had learned along the way and hopefully help others in their vision journey.
Sam sets up a tripod.
It can be very difficult creating content as a visually impaired individual. Having devices with accessibility is incredibly important.
Sam preparing to shoot.
I just picked up the brand new Alpha 7 Mark V. I think it's a powerhouse when it comes to accessibility. Having things like the full built-in screen reader so I can navigate all the menus, being able to zoom into the menus if I want to with the screen magnifier is incredible.
Sam operates the camera with the screen reader.
Having the tactile buttons that are all unique, which makes it super easy to navigate around the camera just by touch. With auto framing, I'm able to make sure that I'm in the shot, even though I can't see the little screen. It's going to keep me in the center focus, which is great. Hey guys, it's Sam with The Blind Life. Welcome back to the
Sam
channel where I
films
help you
himself
learn
for
how to
YouTube,
live your best blind life.
facing the camera.
Honestly, I haven't seen accessibility in any other camera brand out there. And so that really says something about Sony's dedication to the disabled community. I've been very excited to work with Sony on trying to make their products better for the blind community, more accessible, and I've given as much feedback as possible. They've been extremely receptive to that feedback and have already implemented many of those feature changes, accessibility enhancements to their products. It's been fantastic. My mission is simple. It's to help as many people as possible and help them live their best blind life. It's all about equality. It's all about equal access to the world around us. Really, the best part is that when you make a product accessible, everybody wins. Not just the blind community, but everybody. Everyone benefits.
Close-up of Sam's eye. End of video. Sony logo.